In 1938, archaeologists in Iraq found something strange. A clay jar with a copper cylinder and an iron rod. Some say it's a 2,000-year-old battery. But if that's true, what were ancient people doing with electricity? The object, known as the Baghdad Battery, was found near modern-day Baghdad in the ruins of a Parthian village. It's made of three simple parts: a clay jar, a copper tube, an iron rod inserted inside. When filled with an acidic liquid like vinegar or lemon juice, it can generate a small electric charge. But here's the mystery. This artifact could date as far back as 250 BCE, over 1,800 years before the invention of the modern battery. So what was it for? One theory suggests it was used for electroplating, coating metals with thin layers of gold or silver. Others think it might have had a ritual or religious purpose, perhaps to create a magical shock or glow. Some even say it's evidence that ancient civilizations understood electricity long before we did. But there's a problem. No wires, no sockets, no actual tools for electroplating have ever been found nearby. Skeptics argue it was likely a simple storage jar, and the battery effect was just a coincidence. Modern experiments have confirmed the jar can produce up to 1 volt of electricity. But that's not enough to power anything we know of. Still, the idea that people over 2,000 years ago might have experimented with electricity is fascinating. And even if it wasn't a battery, it shows us how easily our modern minds can misinterpret the ancient past. So was the Baghdad Battery a forgotten invention? A misunderstood object? Or proof of ancient tech we've lost? One thing's for sure, the past is far more electrifying than we ever imagined. This is Ancient Knowledge. Subscribe for more ancient technology, mysteries, and archaeological discoveries.